Get excited about the 2011 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Lincoln are offered, including speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, and leather upholstery. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.